छान गप्पा हे माय ऐकत बहुत नाही ओके
Today Anika will draw a shape from sleeping lines, slanting lines and standing lines. Anika, first we will draw a sleeping line. Draw a sleeping line. Very good. Now draw a slanting line. Draw another slanting line. Very good. Now draw a sleeping line. Very good, Anika. Now draw a standing line. Very nice, Anika. Now, Anika, draw a slanting line. From here, draw a slanting line. Very good, Anika. From this point, draw another slanting line. Very good, Anika. Okay, Anika, now draw a sleeping line. Very nice, Anika. Now draw a sleeping line. Very good. Now draw a slanting line. Now draw a sleeping line. From here. Now draw a sleeping line. Very nice. Draw another sleeping line. Very good. Now draw one more. Very good. Anika, what is this?
shape boat
Shape boat. Draw a sun. Very nice. Now draw the rays. Very good. Very nice. Now standing line. Very good. Very nice. Now draw this one. Very good. Very nice. Very nice. Draw one more over here. Draw one more. Very nice. And draw one more here. Very good. Anika, draw water. Sleeping lines. Very good. Okay, Anika, now would you like to color it?
हाँ
Okay.
share, subscribe.